Hey again! So this video is all about the directions of what you need to do for the slide deck assignment that follows along with the notes and the reading passage. So the first thing is you will be in classroom, right? And you will have already listened to the directions on what to do for the assignment. You've read the reading passage, and now it is time for you to say, okay, like what do I do with this Google slide deck? So once you've opened the slide deck, this is what you will see. You need to put your name, date, and homeroom teacher on it. But Miss Cray, I don't know how to spell my homeroom teacher's name. That's where you go to your classroom, you look for your homeroom teacher's name, and you write it where it says homeroom teacher. For name, please make sure that you've got last name. Okay, so then the next step is each slide deck will contain either a direction or a question. If it is a question, you will see a question following with a sentence stem following after it. It is your job to use the reading and your notes to complete the sentence stem. So for example, the New World is also called, you would highlight this line and you would type your answer right here. For the sake of making it easier for us to grade, I would really appreciate it if you either bold your answer. You can even change it into a different color. That's like easier for us to read. So we can just quickly look and see that you've got your answer, and then we can easily score it. You will also notice that some of these slide decks will ask you to insert a picture. So then make sure that you have watched the how to insert a picture how-to video, and then you would insert the pictures that we are looking for. Your third question with a sentence stem, fourth question with a sentence stem. This is all about comparing and contrasting the French colonizers along with the Spanish colonizers. So here you would just, if you triple click this underscore, you would type in your answer. Okay, and this tells us about the French colonizers. And the second blank is where you would type in your answer describing the Spanish colonizers. I just want you to compare and contrast, again, the French from the Spanish. How are they different? So I guess you're just contrasting. Okay, number 5 is another picture. Number 6, there are many people who have settled from Great Britain. I just want you to choose 3 of those groups and put the names of the groups in the following spaces. Number 7 is the little trickier one, a little higher order, okay? This one, you are getting credit for this if you give an answer that is your own answer. As long as you are trying and you are giving an answer that resonates with what you believe, then you're going to get credit. If you're copying and pasting from the internet, you will not get credit for this question and you will be asked to redo it. If you are copying from somebody else, you will be asked to redo it, okay? You can help each other, but copying, all answers should be a little different, okay? So there's 2 parts to this question. Why do you think the New World was called the New World? Why do you think the New World was called the New World? That follows along with this sentence stem. I think it was called the New World because, and then your answer goes here. Okay? Again, this is an opinion. What do you think, right? The second part, do you think the New World deserved to be called New World? Is it worthy of the title New World? That follows along with this sentence stem. I do/don't think it should be called the New World because, and if you do think it should be called the New World, you just highlight /don't, delete it, okay? If you think it should not be called the New World, you highlight do/delete it and complete the sentence stem. Again, this is an opinion piece. Just want to know your opinion. When you're finished, and there's still time left, so the timer's still going on, then fill the space with pictures, hashtags, school-appropriate memes, School appropriate language, please, and make sure it's related to your reading passage. And that is what you're doing for the slide deck. Make sure that you turn it in classroom, that you go back to your classroom, and over here you'll see a button right that says turn in or turn it in. Turn it in, please, and then you can do the done early activities. Thank you.